name is Diego Corbalan. This is my partner, Juana Belén. And today we're going to talk about Netflix, cloud infrastructure, and functioning. Netflix is an internet service that provides entertainment offerings, TV shows, and movies such as original series, documentaries, and feature films through an internet subscription on the TV, computer, and mobile devices.
How does Netflix run? Well, Netflix uses a fully cloud infrastructure to ensure global delivery to users. It uses and it is executed under the well-known AWS cloud infrastructure and uses various services to perform tasks that are vital to the business. For example, for on-demand streaming, EC2 instances are required to be able to compute such large files. Another service used is the Amazon Simple email service to provide centralized communication with the users. One advantage of running on the AWS cloud is that the provider has fully configurable services that are able to work hand in hand with other services to give a full service. On the other hand, the AWS allows apps to run on a global infrastructure that gives opportunity to scale on many and different directions. Some disadvantages are that the global infrastructure requires VPCs that live only on one AWS region. So you need to configure more VPCs to get the global infrastructure and scale. Another disadvantage is the need to reserve some compute capacity to ensure that your business is going to have enough capacity.
Classifying the type of software, app users, and states the benefits of accessing the software from this particular cloud. Netflix is a service that can come as a computer, phone, or TV app to watch movies or series. It uses the OS public cloud that allows you to deploy your application in multiple regions around the world with just a few clicks, and you will not require to spend money on running and maintaining data centers.
How does Netflix function? Well, it's very simple. We're gonna use the web browser version of it. So first, you open the web browser and you type netflix.com. Then you have to log in with your account if you have one. If not, you can create one. Where your email and password are going to be required for your account. In the third place, and once your credentials are validated, Netflix catalog is going to be fully shown to you so you can browse through it. Then you can pick a movie or another show to watch. And once you have chosen one, you can click the option reproduce to watch. And after that, you can enjoy your movies.
Critique. So here we have a few advantages and disadvantages of using the AWS cloud services. So the AWS allowed organizations to use already familiar programming models, operating systems, databases, and architectures. This way, the companies doesn't have to adapt to a new way of organizing their data. It is cost-effective services that allows you to pay only for what you use, without any upfront or long-term commitments. Offers fast deployments. You can easily add or remove capacity. You are allowed cloud access quickly with limited capacity. Total cost of ownership is very low compared to any private dedicated servers. Offers centralized visualing and management. Offers hybrid capabilities. Disadvantages. If you need more immediate or intensive assistance, you'll have to opt for a paid support package. Amazon Web Services may have some common cloud computing issues when you move to a cloud. For example, downtime, limited control, and backup protection. AWS services default limits on resources which vary from region to region. These resources consist of images, volumes, and snapshots. You can launch the limited number of instances per area. Hardware level changes happen to your application, which may not offer the best performance and usage for your application. And here it has a security limitation. Security is one of the main features of ours, limits some of its features which cannot be changed at all. And that will be the advantages and disadvantages.
Some improvements or suggestions we have is for Netflix to include more classics in their catalog, and also include sign language interpretation for those people who cannot hear and might have trouble with the audio description. Also, it would be fun to have a comment section for the browser version and have some free content for new users and less restrictions for sharing account with other users. Thank you for listening. Hope you enjoyed it.